Hey guys, it's Southern 207 again, and well, got some bad news. In case you're wondering, I'm currently driving home from doing the usual errands around the first of the month. Well, Sparky, it looks like I got another scenario you were dealing with. The shed, which is galvanized steel, is not covered under warranty due to the type of damage, aka wind damage, otherwise known as acts of God, or whatever religion you are. In case you guys have not noticed, I do my best to keep religion out of this. And in case you're wondering, I'm in traffic right now, hence why I'm recording. But, long story short, I might have to break out the old metalworking skills again. Which is a good thing. I got somebody I know, it's an ex-car body repairman. Just seems like Murphy's Law keeps hitting me. Anyway, talk to you guys later. Bye.